Another day down and your body's talking, but not in a good way. Whether you've been hunched over a laptop, stuck in traffic, or just too busy to move much, everything feels tight, shoulders tense, neck stiff, lower back sore. It's like your body's quietly begging for a reset. Here's the good news. You don't need hours at the gym or fancy equipment. Just 15 minutes. That's it. 5 simple stretches, 0 excuses. By the end, you'll feel lighter, looser, and more in tune with your body. And my personal favorite at the end, it's pure magic. Let's get started. Cat-cow stretch. Let's wake up your spine with a classic cat-cow. This one's a gentle way to bring motion back into your body, especially if you've been hunched over a screen all day. Start on all fours. Align your wrists under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. Inhale as you arch your back, lift your chest, and tilt your pelvis up. That's the cow. Now exhale as you round your spine, tuck your chin, and draw your belly in. That's the cat. Flow between these two, syncing breath with movement for 10 to 15 rounds. It's like a massage from the inside out. Your back, shoulders, and neck will thank you. Butterfly stretch. Next up, let's open those tight hips. The butterfly stretch is a simple, powerful move to target the inner thighs and groin. Sit tall on the floor. Bring the soles of your feet together, letting your knees fall to the sides. Hold your feet with your hands. Want more depth? Lean forward slightly with a straight back, keeping the movement gentle and controlled. Stay here for 30 seconds to a minute. No need to push, just let gravity do the work. You'll feel the tension melt away as you settle into the stretch. Supine twist. Now let's unlock that spine and give your lower back some love with the supine twist, a stretch that feels like a full body sigh. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat. Pull your knees toward your chest, then gently drop them to one side. Extend your arms out like a T and turn your head in the opposite direction. Keep both shoulders grounded. Hold for 30 seconds to a minute, then switch sides. This one's perfect for decompressing the spine, easing lower back tightness, and helping your body feel more aligned. Downward dog. Ready to energize your entire body? Downward dog is more than a yoga pose, it's a full body release. Start on your hands and knees, then lift your hips toward the ceiling, forming an upside-down V. Keep your heels reaching for the floor and your hands pressing firmly into the mat. Don't worry if your heels don't touch, it's the stretch that counts. You'll feel this in your shoulders, hamstrings, and calves. Hold for 30 seconds to a minute, breathing deeply and letting each exhale soften the pose. This is your reset button. Child's pose. Let's bring it all home with a stretch that feels like a warm hug, child's pose. From all fours, sit your hips back toward your heels and lower your chest toward the ground. Stretch your arms forward or let them rest by your sides, forehead on the mat. Breathe deeply. This pose gently stretches your back, hips, and thighs while calming your nervous system. Stay here as long as you need. It's a moment of stillness in a busy day. And just like that, you've given your body exactly what it needed: attention, intention, and movement. These 5 stretches aren't just exercises, they're daily rituals of self-care. Whether you use them in the morning, after work, or before bed, they'll help undo the stress of modern life and bring you back into your body. Feel better? Share this with someone who could use a little relief. And remember, your body carries you through everything. It deserves this. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more ways to move better, feel better, and live well. See you next time.